Hello, we are explaining about our new station. This is a temperature control soldering station, TOKii DSS75, and it is a ESD save soldering station. This is a 75 watt soldering station, and it's very easy to use. The heater actually in this station is ceramic heater. So just to show you the temperature first, it's a 350 degree. We are using the Japanese thermometer to show the temperature. So it is almost 350 degree. Okay, the specification is plus minus 3 degree. Okay, and the function is like if you want to increase and decrease the temperature, you can easily do. Simply this is putting this is decreasing, putting this is increasing. Once you press this button, it will set the temperature. And the calibration is also very easy. Simply you press this 2 button, it enter into the calibration mode. Now if the tip temperature thermometer shows lower temperature, so you can go lower side. For example, 5 degree low, so you can go 5 degree. If 10 degree up, then you can go the upper side and just press the button. It will automatically adjust according to the tip temperature thermometer reading, and it will show the exact temperature and show the tip also same temperature. So calibration, you don't need any knob or something. Digitally you can hold the setting. And there is also hibernate mode. Hibernate mode can be switched on and off in this. That is, if 20 minutes there is no work, the station will go into a sleep mode at a lower temperature. But if in between somebody come and activate the soldering, the hibernate will automatically go off and you can continue with your work. Thank you.